Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
The next-gen Tata Tiago. Dual-tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger. Zip-fast 100% watt syakmat bersyadian, blind view monitor, bagi-wei-kiwei. Tek kum ki kali rem, hagador ke berjam, tak sau poin rewlak. Just wow.
Hadian katu kat ni kenta, bangilawan ra ikan cingja, kebai day, bakajing Pluh kidukan tap siliang, halapan last stop Shillong. Hakasan terik nailar aja pun riau, nilayo banyak keren, berwei orang ba, ubelatip kerteng, kumsubashish Chaudhry, ubasyong masa akasinong laban, bat udah uni orang ba, hadian mulayu iya kedurki, na wei kunjung Paralok, siapang gani ikan cingja, marmar lopuan dan pentip, syong Paralok Jong ubaterai hatanan Fire and Emergency Service. Nilayo ru banyak keren berupulit ubaterai hatanan Fire and Emergency Service. Ublah kubur ya kini bat ongru, batang siyo jingtip, hakapur kumba khandai la khandai minit, tang kumbalai minit, kekenhun ki pulit pelip ding, kilawan poi hala stop lapan. Bat klasimpor arpo apsa minit ban pelip ya kading. Katkum kajing itu, jong ni upulit hatanan Fire and Emergency Service, kidan kumba san nyoteli kidukan, hakani kajaka. Kata artli kedukan thot tim, artli kedukan debam, kawai kedukan dejur, bat kawai kedukan kapsnyo. Habakeli ya kadau tenrai, ulaong, bakasyong sakajing tokit jengki pulit, panlap ya kajing sedang jong keding.
Bayar dah marbanyang. Syong besar sih. Kelas utun. Jadi syong bukan ambil. Oh, ngah syong dijur. Oh, habat kan? Kena kecil kecil. Mentah nang sipak ni tengah bejesu. Ni basang seni sabar ang kading kamyo iren dala awan laki beliau deki ang pait la mitram ni ang mitram tengira no ayaw bitri ya ka tuka tiar ka bayo sa ing sabtai ngal aher no te ting yo sabtai ka like ngal apet no sa thi serum ngakam pet chu dala yang ba kading kitiar ru ngakam lum chu ter Anga sok sao te la ing sapok kudam tekong sok sao ba im te la stok on ni kam ni tip tekong kabun te ki bayasang ka wei do belang ba uba ubah oh kap senyu tabadi siar badi dok seniang ba pentok tim badi sya badi kaj tang kita he ka kudam spo ka ba dan kudam spo tang ba kisubu siar kimju penkuj kimju sluding ngaru kimju sluding kicu kiwe kimju sluding te tang tu badi sya te ngimtip kain kawan nang no kading ya kata tengam la tim yo dai nakalai dum tip dai naka teng bam yo ite ani labun pi itu badi so ibadi so adalah inlut so teki badan sian ru la inte babu kudam wadangai dukan babu kudam ru la inte ang kum nama ngi nrung ru tien te yo dai kalai na dai basai nang yo tang ba ya kading ngamnut te ngapet tien ya tien yo ha ko ya lai try jong i ba mama seng ngi si ong mit mama te mama seng tip dai te ngi si wan song to nama ngi ju siu pisare ngi la song dukan na lai pesan senam sau ko duna na do msuan dang dan dak kati tengin to ha ha ngalai song dukan nado email te nado nang nado kapor email nang dan tang dak kakti ta hado mata nga song hi tu kan nga mentale nga song tang ibarit dukan nga song habat nga kam song re po yeng te tang kudam nga bu so sap bu jur ni gitu ya brigit mana oh hamtip rekong naman ngalai le dan mabai dengan ngadan mabai tang ba mene mabai le la bu la her sudan bak ngayo biak dan re ba man saw la ya lalut ba khaj te la ong mi tram ngamar kong ta nga sim yu bitri ba cek thang lai ong ngatieng yo hap wayar tang la pet sa thi serum la si hala la ya pet ba ye e bet ketir ketar tu
मैं अगर मंगलवार को आता हूँ मैं आपको कॉल करता हूँ बिल्कुल I came for the SI thing was started today from 5th of August which till 24th of 4th of September. So for the list I came to take out the printout which my name and code came out. So when I came out I saw while I was taking the printout, one of my friend's son, he saw there was a fire broke out in last step area. So suddenly I didn't take out the printout, I just came down after seeing the fire which was broke out in last stop market, where there was a saloon, there was a meat shop and everything. So I called up my friend who is from the fire service. Though came within 7 to 10 minutes, they have reached the means on the spot. They have distinguished the fire, and in the meanwhile I have called up the MSCV also. They have, when I called up, they said like they have already shut down the electricity. And after that, within few minutes, they have reached. They have shut down from the transformer also. They have stopped the electricity. So now you can see, like you can find out there from last stop till the thing yeah, there is no electricity. So you can find out like everything has come down. So nothing has been happened. There was no incident. But only the thing is that the government should find out. I mean they should find out how the fire was broke out. Whether it's a short circuit or whether it's from other source. Now it depends upon it, because it's a totally wooden shops and everything. So how the fire broke out, it depends upon after the investigation. This is the only thing, and as a general public, it is my duty to save the people of my locality. And I am born and brought up from here, so it is a thing to find out and to save the people of the humanity. It was around 8:30 and all.
Yeah, one Mr. Subhasis Chaudhary, a local person from last stop Lavan area only. He called me through his personal mobile on my personal mobile at around 2 minutes past 9 p.m. Okay, that there is a fire at last stop. Immediately we have received the call from our fire service headquarters also, and we have activated our vehicle. and in the meantime, I have activated my another vehicle from Shillong Fire Station, my counterpart. So both these vehicles they arrived within 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes, and when we came here, within 5 minutes we controlled the fire. We controlled the fire, and say around after 20 to 25 minutes, we have managed to extinguish the fire. There are 6 to 7 shops as of now. 2 archery counters, one this food palace, and then one vegetable shop, and one saloon. Saloon is okay, no damage is there, and only the structures is partially damaged, not fully damaged. So I have no comment on that sound which occurred, because when we came here we saw the structures was already on fire and we started firefighting. There was no sound when by the time we arrived here. We cannot rule this out. This can only be ascertained when we conduct the inquiry properly.
No loss of life.
No loss of life, no injuries, and no major damage. It's a small fire. We categorize it small fire.
Actually, we found that there is a fire. So CRPF is deployed over here for law and order duty, as you know that. So here we found that there is a fire. So our troops responded immediately and took the situation into the control. So CRPF is always for the people, and always they are there to help the people in all the situations. Like here in the fire situation, our troops responded immediately.
So what was your role here when you come here?
Yes, definitely our role is very important, because in such a condition there is lot of congestion. People run here and there. So in that condition, there is law and order situation. We control that all the assistance that is required for the fire to extinguish the fire. So we have responded immediately, so that people will, there is safe passage for fire brigade, for fire vehicles. Along with it, we help in the extinguishing of the fire. That in such of condition, we must keep ourselves cool and calm, and we must give safe passage to the agencies that are responsible for taking the action. So and secondly, the cooperation of the people is very important. If they cooperate us, then the situation can be handled very easily. The situation today is, as we know that it could spread in in very larger place, but because of the immediate response by the CRPF and the fire brigade, as you know, so we have very swiftly done our job.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon hauput usam hapedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya kawe kathem arteli ki jala hakabenta jong ka Assam dan kumba ar phauteli ki karkhana red category but ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya kate ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ya ka khubor balapau perthai hakabenta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de nakata ka daw kini artli ki jala menta kis dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan